The General Ledger Transaction Report has now been updated to include our VAT codes. So from the accounting menu, under the heading Overview, select Reports. Under the heading General Ledger, select View Category and select your report General Ledger Transactions. Let's click Next to display the report, and to make changes to the report, click the Design button. Let's give our report a name, and we can start customizing report by taking away the columns we do not wish to display. I don't need the statement or the transaction status on my report. I can scroll down and add additional columns. So here I have my customer and supplier column, which I can drag up to the report, and once you see the cross, you can now release. I can move my fields by clicking on the blue arrow, or simply click and drag into the relevant position. I would like to group by VAT code, so under grouping I can choose to add to a new group above General Ledger. And once again I'm going to click on the statement column to delete this off my report. So now let's click on the criteria. Once you've clicked on the criteria, we can now select our nominal codes for our VAT. Under the column Hidden, untick VAT code. This will allow us to preset in the VAT codes we wish to run this report by. Once you've made your selection, click Save Copy. Let's click on the criteria button, and we can run our report by period. And click OK to run the report. Once the report has been created, it will need to be shared so others can view the report. From our accounting menu, select General, and under the heading Organisation, let's select Reports and scroll down to find the General Ledger report you have just created. Once you have found your report, over on the right hand side you will see your Access Rights icon. Click this icon, and over on the left hand side click the Add button. This will allow us to custom our rights by company, role or user. I'm going to grant access by role by double clicking in the field, selecting my role level, and under the column Access Granted, change the No to Yes and simply save the report. Once all changes have been made, we can now click our home key and return back to the desktop.